really? How you know all these songs? I'm bouncing, but I don't even know what I'm bouncing to. I just know I'm getting chicken sandwiches. Hey, chicken sandwiches. Chicken sandwiches. Guys, and welcome back to my channel. I know I've been gone for a long time, but I am in line. This is the 7th time in line. Popeyes line. We're trying to get these chicken sandwiches, so I am super excited. Hopefully I don't get disappointed. About maybe 3 minutes ago, I just asked the worker if they had any more sandwiches, and she said yes. So I pray we still have some more, so I could tell you all what the hype is all about and give you all my honest review on the chicken sandwiches. So let's see. Sandwiches. The line is wrapped around the building. Yes. Hi, I didn't want to stay in line if they don't have any more of the sandwiches. Do you know if they have any more of the sandwiches?
I just ordered 2.
Really? Okay, and is it 2 per car or?
I have no idea. This is my first time getting it.
Oh, this is your first time? This is like our 7th time.
Really?
At different locations. And they always they don't have the chicken sandwiches. But okay, thank you.
Yeah, so I mean I just ordered, but yeah, she didn't say they weren't out. So.
Okay. Alright. Y'all, we about to go to the front of the line. Y'all.
Embarrassing.
Alrighty, let's go.
Welcome to Popeyes. How can I help you?
Yes, can we have 3 chicken sandwiches, please? One. No.
Hold on now.
I was just in the line. I've been begging. Y'all, please don't sell all the sandwiches. How? Don't do this to me, please. Y'all are out?
Yes.
I just spoke with y'all like seconds ago, like less than 5 minutes ago, and y'all out? Please, I'm quite sure y'all have more. Me and my girl's been waiting all this time, and you don't have any more? What about one more?
We don't have no more. I know we do have some.
You do. I know you do. God is good. Won't he do it?
Won't he do it?
I need one spice. I need two original and 1 spicy, please.
We only do 2 per car.
And it's 3 of us?
All right, 2 original.
All right,
1
so
spicy and 1 original.
so we'll do 2. 1 spicy, 1 original.
Are those both meals or 5 though?
Just the sandwiches.
Is that all?
Yes, that's it.
$8.54. $4.
Oh, they're $4 a piece. Okay, thank you.
Whoop, whoop.
Yeah! We finally get these sandwiches. Woo-hoo! Yay! We getting our sandwiches. We getting our sandwiches.
What you would say if they say they don't have no more chicken sandwiches? We gonna find some chicken sandwiches?
I won't leave the line. They're gonna have to find me some chicken sandwiches because 20 minutes ago they said they had sandwiches. 10 minutes ago they said they had sandwiches. 5 minutes ago they said they had sandwiches. 2 minutes ago they said they had sandwiches.
So they have to
Then
find us
when
some sandwiches.
And then when we got to the front of the line, it was time for us to place our order. I'm sorry, we're out. What? You gonna find me some chicken sandwiches today. Chicken sandwiches. Chicken sandwiches. Hey, chicken sandwiches. Hey, chicken sandwiches.
Taking a man is gone. I got smell cologne. Yeah, I just signed a deal, I'm on.
No, don't come up with the thing yet, please. Yes. Okay. Okay. Thank you.
Mommy, bring it in. Mommy.
Good. Thank you so much, girl.
Mommy, eat.
All right, guys. So finally, we got these sandwiches. So let's see what the hype is all about. I wanted to try the chicken by itself. Okay. Lord. I couldn't even tell y'all. I couldn't even say anything. It was so hot. This was really made fresh. Nice and hot. Okay. So, the sandwich is actually, I think this is the spicy one, Gabby. It's a little spicy. It's a little spicy. It's good. It's good. It was worth the wait. It's not bad, but it's not all of that now. I was expecting more, but it's delicious though. It's good. Will I get it again? Yeah. Will I wait in the line again? No. But it's good though. I think everyone should try it at least once. It's really good. From a scale to 1 to 10, I'll give it an 8. Okay.
It's over.
Woo.
It's over. Sounds good.
Okay guys, so we just finished eating the sandwich, and like I said earlier, from I guess on a scale to 1 to 10, I would give it an 8. The bun is very moist, very soft. The chicken it's soft as well. I didn't get the spicy one, but it still had a hint of spice. So it just had the sandwich that was a little spicy, with a little mayo, and it also had pickles. So it was good, but I wouldn't stand in line for that long for the sandwich. I guess because they hyped it up so much, I was expecting more, but it wasn't all of that. But it wasn't bad, if that makes sense. So that's why I gave it a 10. No, that's why I gave it an 8, not a 10, but that's why I gave it an 8. So guys, until next time, take care, and I'll see you later. Bye.